Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain the technical question on bitwise operators. Question is, into a equals to minus 6 negative number, print of percentage d comma tilde a. Tilde a is nothing but bitwise complement or bitwise not operator in C language. What is the output of this code? Coming to the C language, there are 6 types of bitwise operators are there in C language. In C language, there are 6 types of bitwise operators are there. 6 types of bitwise operators are there in C language. Operators are first one is bitwise AND operator. First one is bitwise AND operator, that is single ampersand. Second one is bitwise OR operator. Second one is bitwise OR operator, single pipe symbol. Third one is bitwise XOR operator. Bitwise XOR operator, symbol is cap symbol. Fourth one is bitwise NOT operator. Bitwise NOT operator. The symbol for this one is tilde symbol. Bitwise NOT operator is also known as bitwise complement operator. And fifth one is bitwise left shift operator. Bitwise left shift operator, symbol is double less than. And last one is bitwise right shift operator. Bitwise right shift operator, symbol is double greater than. These are the 6 bitwise operators in C language. Bitwise AND, OR, XOR, NOT, left shift as well as right shift. Among all these operators, bitwise NOT is the unary operator. Among all these operators, bitwise NOT is the unary operator. All remaining operators are binary operators. All remaining 5 operators are binary operators. Bitwise NOT operator, that is bitwise complement operator, is unary operator. Unary operator means how many operands? Only one operand. Binary operators are nothing but how many operands? 2 operands. Important point coming to the bitwise operators is operands should be into type only. Operand should be into type only. Why? Because as the name specifies, bitwise operators. These operators are applied on the bits of the data. These operators are applied on the bits of the data, not directly on the data, bits of the data. Okay. Our integer type values are stored in which format? Binary format. If you take the fractional values are stored in IEEE 754 format. Okay. So coming to these bitwise operators, operands must be of which type? Integer type only. Among all these operators, bitwise NOT is the unary operator. All remaining 5 operators are binary operators. Into a is equal to minus 6. A value is minus 6. A is of which type? Integer type. Generally, integer data type occupies, or integer requires or occupies, whatever it may be. Integer data type requires either 2 bytes or 4 bytes of memory. Either 2 bytes or 4 bytes of memory. That depends on the compiler and machine. Okay. Here we are assuming that integer occupies. Assume that integer occupies only 2 bytes. Integer occupies 2 bytes, only 2 bytes of memory. Integer occupies only 2 bytes of memory for our convenience purpose. So into a is equal to minus 6. How this negative number, a equal to minus 6 means negative number. How these negative numbers are represented in our computer memory? So first of all, take the positive value. What is the a equal to minus 6 means? Take the positive value 6. What is the binary format of 6? 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 1 1 0. This is the binary format of positive number 6. Okay, this is the binary format of positive number 6. Binary format of 6. Binary format of positive number 6. But coming to my value is a is equal to minus 6. Negative numbers are represented by using negative numbers are represented in which form? 2's complement form. 2's complement form. Negative numbers are represented in which form? Negative numbers are represented in our computer memory by using 2's complement representation. So what is 2's complement representation? 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. 2's complement representation is equal to 1's complement representation plus 1. 1's complement plus 1. What is 1's complement? 1's complement is nothing but all ones are converted to zeros. All ones are converted to zeros and all zeros are converted to ones. All zeros are converted to ones. Okay, so this is nothing but 1's complement representation. Coming to the 1's complement representation, all ones are converted to zeros and all zeros are converted to ones. So this is the 1's complement representation. Then how to get the 2's complement? 1's complement plus 1 is nothing but 2's complement representation. The important thing is all our negative numbers are represented in which format? 2's complement format in our computer memory. Binary format of -6 is 2's complement of positive number 6. 2's complement of positive number 6. So binary format of negative number -6 is nothing but 2's complement of positive number 6. Okay, what is the binary format of positive number 6? The binary format of positive number 6 is 4 zeros, 0 1 0. Why? Because we are assuming that integer occupies only 2 bytes of memory. 2 bytes are nothing but 16 bits. 2 bytes are nothing but 16 bits. How to get the 2's complement of 6? 1's complement plus 1. So 1's complement of this representation is 4 ones, 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is the 1's complement representation of positive number 6. We will get the 2's complement representation only when we add 1 to this particular number. Then only we will get the 2's complement representation. Coming to the 2's complement representation, 1's complement plus 1 ma. Okay, so 1 plus 1. Coming to the binary addition, 1 plus 1 is nothing but 10, where the carry is 1 and this one is 0, where the carry is 1 and the result is 0. Next 0 plus 1 means which one? 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Remaining ones as it is. So 4 ones followed by 4 ones followed by 4 ones followed by 1 0 followed by 1 0. This binary format is stored in the memory in place of -6. So a equal to -6 means finally a is equal to -6 means, so the representation is this one. This one is stored in our computer memory. 4 ones 1 0 1 0 is stored in our computer memory in place of -6. Next printf percentage d comma tilde a. This tilde a is nothing but bitwise not operator or bitwise complement operator. This tilde a is nothing but bitwise not operator or bitwise complement operator. Tilde of a is equal to tilde of -6. Okay, bitwise complement operator is nothing but ones are converted to zeros and zeros are converted to which ones? Ones. So coming to this one, tilde of -6 means all these 4 ones are converted to zeros. Again all these 4 ones are converted to zeros. 1 is converted to 0, 0 is converted to 1, 1 is converted to 0, 0 is converted to 1. So this is nothing but tilde of a. What is the decimal value of this binary format? Here 2 power 0. This one is nothing but 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. This one is nothing but which one? 2 square. Okay. So 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is nothing but which one? 5. 4 plus 1 is nothing but which one? 5. The decimal value representation for this binary format is which one? 5. So Print of percentage d comma tilde of a is nothing but what is the value? 5. This is the normal procedure to get the output. Whereas coming to the shortcut, suppose your number is n, okay, tilde of n is nothing but, your number is n, tilde of n is nothing but, answer is minus of n plus 1, right? If you want to get the output directly, this is the shortcut. If your given number is n, tilde of n is nothing but minus of n plus 1, okay. Coming to my n value is minus 6, so tilde of minus 6 is nothing but, minus of n plus 1. What is the n value? Minus 6 plus 1, that is minus of minus 6 plus 1 is nothing but minus 5. Minus of minus 5 is nothing but what is the value? 5. Minus of minus 1 is nothing but final value is 5. So this is the shortcut to find the output of the above code. Coming to the execution of this program is, what is the output of this code? 5 is the output of this code, minus of n plus 1.